Reverse phone lookup. How to use this tool to quickly trap a cheater. Suspecting your partner is hiding something? If you've seen a weird number in their call history or a contact name that just doesn't feel right, you're not crazy for wondering what's going on. People who cheat usually don't save their side person's name as Ashley or Brian. It's usually something random, like dentist or Uber Eats. That's where reverse phone lookup comes in. What is reverse phone lookup? Reverse phone lookup is a tool that tells you who owns a phone number. So how does it work? Check this out.
Head over to Searchbug.com, click Lookups, and then select Reverse Phone Lookup. And then enter the phone number that you're trying to look up. This is just a sample phone number. Click search and then confirm the order by clicking I approve. There you have it. So now we have a complete report of the owner of that phone number, the relatives, the addresses associated, and the phone numbers of the owner of that phone number. There you have it, everyone. A quick and easy way to perform reverse phone lookup using Searchbug.com.
So if it's saved as car wash, but the owner is Dave P. Sample, now you know something doesn't match. People use reverse phone lookup for different reasons: spotting scam callers, verifying someone's identity, but one of the biggest? Catching a cheating partner. Here are some red flags where this tool helps. Your partner suddenly acts different or guarded with their phone. You notice unknown numbers showing up over and over. There are strange names in their contact list that just feel off. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. All you need is a phone or computer, internet, and about a minute of your time. And the best part? Your first search is free, so there's no risk if you're just curious. Cheating can mess with your peace of mind. If something feels wrong, don't ignore it. Use reverse phone lookup to either confirm your gut or get some relief. Want to try it now? Head to Searchbug.com and start your first search. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you.